And good morning, everybody. How's everybody doing? Good morning, Richard Petty. How is everybody? Let's get some hands. Let me know you're doing okay. Whoever took this trade, uh, let me see some hands. Who took this trade? All right, so Junior took the trade down. Let's go ahead and look at what Junior was looking at. All right, guys. So, yeah, for those who are watching a recording of this video, just know I don't have imaginary friends. I'm actually talking to people. They're all right here, so maybe you can follow along as we talked. All right, so Knight caught it, Philip caught it, Dynamite, Fitz Trader, Stephen N caught it. Time 8:15. Okay, let's see. I'm hoping you guys waited till about after 8:30 to catch it. Just so I want you guys to be mindful, right? Let's say it was a day-to-day. And Fridays typically have day-to-days, right? Let's say it was a day-to-day. Wait, was it a day-to-day today? I don't know. Anyways, you want to trade after 8:30. So if you see that trend going, maybe look for an entry after 8:30 so you don't get caught in data, okay? That's exactly. Wait until after 8:30. That's what I like to see. Hesitated because of pre-market. That's fine. That is fine, Richard Petty. Let's see. There you go. So if you guys are going to trade the pre-market in a trend like this, like I've always said, hey, wait till 9:45 to take the trade. But I know a lot of you are going to go ahead and trade pre-market, so at least have some rules that are going to keep you safe. So this is 8:15. We triggered the entry. You're probably safest at or about like 8:40 after, if there's a data drop or something like that, right? But it's still paid in a very, very, very healthy way. Let's go ahead and see what this paid out. What did this pay out? Holy crap. Let's see. That was an 11 to 1. An 11 to 1. So if you risked $100, you made $1,100. Congratulations. The system is wild. Also, guys, make sure you tune in and hit me up in the Discord tomorrow. We have a prop firm study hall, if you will. And I'm just going to blow your mind. I'm going to show you why you're getting nervous for no reason, why trailing drawdown is beating you up psychologically, again, for no reason. You're trading too large for no reason. Again, for many of you, that $100 trade here, if you were trading a prop firm, for those trading $50,000 accounts, would have probably put you more than halfway through passing the eval. It's a game of patience. Whether it's a prop firm or trading, let's just assume that the common denominator is trading, and it all requires patience. Prop firms, they create an additional layer over something that is already difficult, like trading, and create a layer of emotions, right? Well, there are emotions naturally in trading. But guys, I really want you to think about this. You are playing demo accounts. Think about that for a second, right? So those emotions are not real. Anyways, we'll deal with that tomorrow. We'll cover the strategies tomorrow. Deep in the money, done for the day. Elevate, good morning. Yes, so Deep in the Money says, system paid off, brother. Been trading since last night. Broke a row, but I was loving the setups. Down for the day. Down for the day? You mean done for the day. There you go. All right, so Deep in the Money, I'm going to ask you a question, right? You said you traded all night. Was it out of boredom? Were you just looking for setups? And how efficient were you in trading overnight? Now, I'm not going to single you out, bro. Like you're solid, but was it efficient going through the night, right? And do you have that expectation every night? Unfortunately, a lot of traders get wrecked when they trade overnight, expecting that will be the volume in after hours, okay? So be careful with that. Looking for your guidance on trade design setup, Eugenio. We're gonna wait for trade design, or if Eugenio, if you got a trade on a ticker and a timestamp, I'll go ahead and review that trade. Playing around with dynamic DSR was my helper. Oh, 100%. Guys, what he's talking about is this yellow line here, right? This trails your stop. It trails it. And it keeps you safe. Right? MES lately. Okay, well, MES lately doesn't do anything for me. Deep in the Money says, that tool is such a blessing. Dope, dope, dope. Hot potato. You know what's funny? So I call hot potato. I'm like, dude, I need the DSR not to be static. I need it to trail it at that moment in time for when our traders take an entry so they know exactly where to place their stop relative to their entry if in fact they come in a little late. Why? Because so many people are asking me, Gabe, when do I move my stop to break even? Gabe, when is too late? Too late? Gabe, when is et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So that is the invention of the DSR. Hot Potato had it done in 25 minutes. Talk about efficient. I don't need an IT staff. I'm going to fire fucking everybody, right? I just need Hot Potato. Here we go. So here you go. If let's say you were entering here, you got a DSR that's 33 points away, so you know your risk if you're going to be a fool and enter right here. One contract is going to cost you over $600 on NQ or $60 on MNQ. Yes, record time. Yes, he did do it in record time. Love that guy. Right? You know what? It's like we literally formed Voltron. And again, if you have not seen that cartoon growing up, you're getting pegged by your wife. She gets the strap on, oils it up, and gives it to you thick. Please. 80s babies, please. Hands up. Or at least have watched it on Netflix and thoroughly enjoyed it. Jesus Christ. Okay, so, yeah, that DSR here, freaking great. It's just great. Okay, Hot Potato, thank you so much. You and HP remind me of the Megazord from Power Rangers. That's dope. Damn, whatever makes you happy, King Louie's ready to receive it. Bro, sounds like you went to a DD party. Yes. I was more of a Ninja Turtles kid. Hey, Ninja Turtles are cool, so. Raf G. They're making a Voltron movie? No, don't play with my tits that way. Are they making a Voltron movie? Like a live action Voltron movie? Like Transformers type thing? No. Someone please fact check me. Otherwise, I'm just gonna gush all over the stream here, and then it's over. They are? No. Oh man. I just made my fucking Friday. So, Voltron live movie and Tyson fighting tonight. Man. Oh, it's 80s euphoria right now. Freaking sweet. If it's made by Michael Bay, it's gonna be like a 6-hour movie. Tyson to get the KO. Okay, guys, so we're in this trade here, and there's no signs of bullishness, right? So I want to show you guys something here, right? If you were in this trade, and let's look at this here. Let's turn off the candles, right? This is the power of the band, and I say this over and over, right? The band isn't an entry; it's an exit. Okay. Now, as long as we're not forming a nipple, I know you guys hear me refer to nipples like it's disgusting, but I mean, nipples are not disgusting. I don't care who you ask. But right here, this is a green nipple, right? And there's a red nipple green, like basically you get the convergence of the band, these lines on the band. That is an exit signal. So as long as you're in the trade and you do not see that happening and you don't see any flickering, it should keep you in a trade. More importantly, we have this color coded. So how much red do you need? Let's be honest here, guys. We've developed the system in such a way where it's the only way you lose is if you're a contrarian, if you don't believe in it. We have rules here, right? So if we're below the 200, guys, where's the 200? That's right here. The 200 is also red. The 200 is color coded so that we can all agree, hey, the 200's red. Okay. So when we're below the 200, we're coming on down. That's it. Those are the only trades we're looking for. Okay. So once we have that, then we're looking for Excel, Band, and our super trend. Again, 1, 2, 3, right? This is our thesis box here, our genie. Band, Excel, RSI, trend thrust, and super trend. Now, trend thrust is not on the screen, but in addition to that, hey, look at this, MACD. So there's nothing that suggests that you are bullish here. Even more, we give you red candles. This is red, guys. This is red. This is, yeah, just red. Are we going to argue against that? In the same way you stop at a red traffic light and you go on a green traffic light, that's how I want you to treat this. Is it red? Yes, it's red. What does that mean? Bearish. Is it green? Yeah, it's green. What does that mean? Bullish. It's binary at this point. You allow that to happen to yourself instead of going ahead and getting, chasing these candles here. Not only will you take less trades, but you'll be far more profitable. And Junior Figueroa is still in the trade because of the secret charts. Oh man, you guys don't even see the secret charts here, but he's in the trade because of it. If you want yourself some secret charts, go ahead and send me a DM. Shameless plug. Alright, got in a little late on a trade, but still green. Kept my risk low. That's the name of the game. Keep your risk low. Top Step Tradingview getting wrecked on longing and Q with all the red. Yeah, they're always getting wrecked. Guys, come on. They need me there. You know what? They would not have me there. Wait a second. How many viewers are on Top Step? How many viewers are watching Top Step? No. How do we get the info on AJ? Just send me a DM into Discord. Come on, let's talk about this. How many people are watching that Top Step? I don't have time for bullshit Roberts contest or like who's got the bigger dick. My bank account's millions of dollars. I'm 7 years away from being a billionaire. That is my goal. Trust me, it's happening. You'll catch me on Forbes. That is the only bragging rights I need. Now, let's go ahead and look at this, right? Around 5,000 people. Okay, 5,000 people. How many of those people are going to blow up their accounts courtesy of the live stream and then buy another one? Wait, how many people? 5,000 people. Even if you had 20% of those people, again, and just assume it's completely binary now, 50% of those people, 2,500 people, go the wrong way, blow up their accounts. How much money is generated by Top Step because of that? Dude, these Top Step X live streams are designed to help you fail. They're designed to fuck you up. I will go scorched earth on these dudes now that you really think about why they're doing it. It's a company, all right, deep into money. It's a company that makes money on failure. So what do? God damn. Oh. Oh. You can't just inverse their trades. How many of them actually bona fide qualified traders? How many of them, honestly, like, I have all these people watching me, guys. If I'm a prop firm and I have you all watching me, huh? No, I'm sorry. Jesus, no way. That right there. Go ahead, Someone clip this, make it your own video, share it on social media, put it on Top Step's Twitter account. I really don't give a shit. Now you really think about it. You got your weakest traders. Why don't you find your strongest traders that would actually know better not to trade contrarian or counter trend? Guys, it is obvious. Let's go to the daily here. Come on. You gotta be a kumquat to think that this is bullish. You're a kumquat. You broke Excel down. MACD showing weakness in the strength of the move. You got a band that's red. That's on the daily. Let's go ahead and look on the 4 hour. You're a goddamn kumquat. You're a fucking loser, goddamn trader, gambler, whatever you are. Okay? Like, what is this? Oh, we're gonna go bullish. Your larger trend is telling you go fuck your mother. We're dying right here. Okay? The daily is showing you we're well into the red on this trade design. You smacked the level right here. Guys, this is wild that anyone would suggest. Hold on. What's even worse? It's the middle of November. What is next month? What is this quarter all about? It's about tax harvesting. Huh? Yes. Tax harvesting. Take our losses, baby. What else? Okay, we go ahead and give the change of power, right? We give it a nice clean slate. We'll see what the repubs do in January. This is what all this is, guys. Seriously, fucking dumbasses. We have, guys, this is the most powerful, simplest, most straightforward fucking trading strategy. And you gotta sit there, listen to some little Asian girl named Jess and trust her because, well, she's Asian and her parents didn't let her get anything less than a fucking A-. And she decided, like, she's really going to disappoint her parents and become a fucking day trader. I make money. Yo, like, seriously, fuck out of here. Oh my God, people just, I'm sorry, to the Asians in my community, I love you. And you know your parents are fucking hard on you. It's just like A+ always, or you loser, right? Come on. Like, but here we go. This is obvious. 5 minutes, NQ, done. We're done here. We are done here. Holy hell. Okay. Who's still going bullish? And we wonder why my blood pressure is so fucking high. God. Oh. Oh my God. Ugh. All right, AJ, I'm sorry, I'm just texting you shorthand here. Okay. Jesus. Caffeine infused tea? What's the difference? Oh my God, people are just, Ruben, yes, the DSSR is very helpful keeping you in the trade along with your band, along with your confluence, along with the GD. Come on, guys. Trading does not have to be hard. Trading does not have, oh my God, it should not be entertaining. It should not be rude or bullish. Where are we bullish, right? Fucking noobs will go ahead and be like, oh, we're bullish here. You see that MACD's getting weak. It's getting weak, so we're going to go bullish here. No, dumbasses. I swear. Oh, Jesus. I'm not even trading. It's kicking me out. Like, what the fuck? I hate that. I hate when it does that. Like, Tradovate. Okay, look it. What are we doing here? Like, oh, we're breaking all kinds of levels here. Where do we have a level? Oh my. At 561? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Jeez. Oh no. Okay. Uh. Hey, Raleigh says, yes, we're just waiting on a new trade design and sitting on our hands. He says, let's go Tesla. Okay, I'm gonna do something really quick here. Let me join my charts here. I'm gonna look at something. Yeah, all right. So now my charts are joined. I have another window. What do you think next DS level is? It's not what I think. It's what the chart tells you. Eugenio, wherever that level is on the chart is where it is. That's where I think it is. I don't think anywhere else. Tesla moving. Let's go. All right. Rally. Calm down. Calm down. Wait, Rally, do you own a Tesla? Please say yes. Please say yes. Please say yes. All right. So let's take a look at Tesla. All right. Nice. The FSDs are dope. Okay, so Tesla is doing the good old, damn, why didn't, this is red, that should be red, and then, wait, looking at the other chart here, it should also be Tesla. 1 second, guys. Ah, sweet, yeah, that is wild. Okay, cool. So, yeah, we got the trade design here. Got rejected by the 200 here. Then about 940, another trade design closes above the 200 at 945. 945 candle prints here. You guys see our super trend right there? You see that level right there? This is exit time. Rally, consider exit time. Consider exit time. Yeah, do not be big holder. Rally. Well, if you're long-term hold, be long-term hold. But this right here, you're getting rejected right there. What up, Gabe? Been locked up the last year. Good to see you. What happened to your boy, Shit the Vix? Oh, he's doing his own thing. I don't know. Damn, he been locked up? I'm sorry, man. Rally, nice. Made his money with a scalp. All right. Let's see. He's got some longs. There's a larger resistance line there at Tesla. It's looking. She got rejected probably. It's here. Here. You got here. You got here. You got a lot of congestion right here. A lot of congestion. All right. Let's take a look at ES here. Obviously, haven't taken a trade. ES, wow. Todd, what's going on, brother? Okay, so yes, coming on down. Everything coming on down, guys. Todd, I'm glad they help. Okay, so tomorrow's prop firm, we're gonna have an oldie but goodie indicator. We're gonna bring it back from the dead, right? It's oldie but goodie. But after I show you what I show you in this prop firm study hall tomorrow, you're gonna hate yourself. You're just gonna hate yourself. You're gonna everything about yourself. Just yeah. It will anger you to the point where you're gonna be super upset at Top Step TV. You probably never open up another Apex account that goes straight cash. It's just true. After what I show you tomorrow, you're going to be seeing so clear. The cataracts, they're gone. They're just gone. All right? No, MACD. No, MACD. You'll see. You'll see. Let's, Affirm is looking for a good scalp. So, Rally, let's see what you're doing here with Affirm. Okay, so Affirm, we have a trade design up. We broke through this level here. You have a level here, you have highs, you have a level here, there's congestion up there. Now, do we have momentum? Well, it has to prove itself up here, right? You still have a whole 4 minutes in this candle before you get that close. So even if you are here, decide, hey, I'm going to enter here. Use your DSR. Your DSR is 42 cents on this Affirm. If you're trading options and you got in at 5293 and a $53 strike was available, you go for it. Furthermore, you got the 53.30. So if that's the 53.50 or the $54 strike, you got it. You could use these take profits as your strikes, whatever's available on the options chain. Everything looks to be going up. Again, we want that candle close. If you manage to get in on the entry, scalp it just above this, you're probably up like 2%, 3% maybe, right? But I blew up 34 prop accounts before finding 1348. 34? 34? Huh? You know, if that was Top Step at 150, 34, that's over 4 grand. Oh, I'm gonna throw up. Ugh, I'm gonna throw up. Let's throw up. You guys want to throw up together? Let's have a Lindsay Lohan belching contest. No, there's vomiting contest, right? Ugh. Anyways, um, really nothing going on here with Affirm. So Raleigh, be careful. Be careful here. That's all I'm saying, man. You know where your stop should be, but please be careful. Let's go back to ES and see if ES is giving us anything. No. There is nothing. Absolutely nothing. Oh my. Fernando, what's up? Mr. Gutierrez, what's up, brother? So we're just chilling here going short. Well, I mean, what are they doing over there at Top Step TV? Are they buying the dip? You're like, oh yeah, this is an allocation zone. This is where we go ahead and yeah, no. Oh my god. But they were buying the dip the whole way down, getting hurt, and you all bought the dip with them, got hurt with them, freaking got wrecked. Like, oh my god. Let's go ahead and look at ES. ES to 899 level. You're coming all the way down here. Okay, so let's see. Do we have anything here on ES? Huh? I really don't see much of anything going on. 50 per account. Whoa. Hey, Gabe, you still like Ford? Sorry if you answered. I had to mute because boss came in. Let me look at Ford. Ford is a forever hold for me, guys. It's just a forever hold for me. It's. Have you driven a Ford lately? No, I drive a Chevy and a BMW and an Acura and a Porsche and a Lambo and an Aston Martin. But yeah, forever hold for me. Let's see. 5916 was a level. That is a level. Let's go ahead and go back to ES. Nope. Got rid of the R8. It's a Huracan. They got rid of the R8. So an R8 and a Huracan are pretty redundant. They just are. And I got a sweet deal I'll show you guys. Let me see. Um, what are they going for right now? So they're still going. Like in R8, V10 Performance, they're still going like 235 for the brand new. Interesting. You got prices everywhere. Nobody knows how to price these things. There's price volatility in those cars. Um, Joe Manning, if you don't know which way to go, then just catch up, download our app, and take in all the education. So, guys, yes, it's just down. Yes, it's just down. So, and my trade camp members, who's here from the Houston trade camp, right? So I made him promise not to take short trades and only take bullish trades, right? And I know I'm an asshole for making them promise that, but they did. And I wonder who's still keeping their promise. Guys, by the way, this Evian water, freaking amazing. Can you do a little recap on your analysis on ES? Yeah, zero's my guess, right? So I made them all make a promise, and it was honestly an exercise of restraint and self control, right? Because, we talk about when we're looking at their stats, they're going bull when he should be bear, and they're going bear when he should be bull, or they're going ahead and they're sort of kind of like breaking the rules for the sake of a trade design, maybe even a scalp, right? But when you go ahead and you force that psychology, right? Okay, am I going to go bull? What are the rules? Oh, above the 200 EMA, etc., right? Multiple confluences. Well, there's no reason to go short. Same way, right? If we're bear, there's no reason to go bull. These are conditions. It's restraint, okay? It is restraint. It is psychological. Aston Martin, okay, you know what? Aston Martin, I bought that car damn near 4 or 5 times. Yeah, those Porsche guys, I don't know who would really be a Lambo guy because, I mean, it's just more of like, yeah, I got a Lambo. And you really don't beat the shit out of that car. No one's really beating the shit out of their Lambos. But Aston Martin, man, the spirit, the growl, its exhaust, the driving dynamics, even though it's front engine, driving dynamics are insane. Like, God, I love an Aston Martin. I love an Aston Martin. Okay, so why would you promise not to go short? Okay. It's a shelf restraint. Let me answer that, right? So the market is in a forever uptrend. And for those who are struggling, because they were getting their asses handed to them, for those who are struggling, we went through their stats and we saw that many of them were better bull side traders than short side traders. And it was by a long shot, right? That's the market in a forever uptrend. What they didn't realize was they were trading an uptrending market. Now we're trading, there's a downtrending market. We see it on the 4 hour and the daily. Now you have to make that same promise. These are promises in staying committed to the rules, right? Above the 200, below the 200, multiple confluences, right? I think Aston's the only brand I've never driven. Dude. Ferrari for what? Again, Ferrari is, yeah, it's, no one's beating the shit out of their Ferrari either. Like, honestly. It was funny, like, Oh my god. Yeah, there's some stories where I've owned cars and I've actually gone to car beat-ups. And there's another guy who has the car I actually owned and sold, like VIN number and everything. And you see him just treating it like a precious, like. And my brother is like, yeah, he just beat the shit out of that car, dude. Like, you don't want to know what he did to that car. It's just, it's funny. And they're looking at me like, what? What's wrong with you? Like, it's a car. You gotta beat the shit out of it. You can't, you're not gonna beat a Huracan, you're not gonna beat a Ferrari. If you're not gonna put it on the track, if you're not gonna do it, if it does not go, if it does not go to the garage at least once a year, you're not driving it hard enough. Yeah, I hit a cow with it too. I hit a cow with an Aston Martin. Peaky Blinder, hi. Peaky Blinder, love that. He's being a good boy, not chasing. Yeah, that sucked. One of my Aston Martins met a cow. Just neither of them won. Jeez. Trade Zealous says I'm a better short trader, apparently. Okay. Well, gamer, you gotta be careful because your stats, you're holding for like 3 points. You don't really hold trades very long. You still, one of the issues, gamer, is we have to keep you from doing the candle thing. No, I didn't get the stakes. The cops did, though. The cops got the stakes. Man, it's a boring day, right? Just trending down. There is nothing to do here except make money if you got in. Way up here with ES. Let's see, NQ. What happened? Oh my. NQ. From the... oh, let's measure this. From a trade design entry, let's just say from there to here. 243 points. One contract. 5K. 1050K. Yeah. Making you rich here, man. Just making you rich here. Well, Joe Manning, before you were in prison, went to prison, the market was in a downtrend, so it's super easy to make money when the market's generally in a downtrend. While you were put away, the market was in an uptrend. Terrence took a short at an M2K with the secret chart. They don't miss. Oh, no, they don't. They just don't. Rewatched all the training videos again yesterday, trying to get this information drilled into my head even more. Terrence, you should have vinyl wrap your Aston as a cow. That'd be fun, right? You're like, is that camo? We're like, no, that's cow. Oh, that's funny. Jeez. God, it's just one of those days, huh? One of those days where you got in here, maybe up here, market open, and then you're just sitting on your hands. Otherwise, we're doing nothing, right? Guys, we're not doing anything until we get up over here. This is 2681. This is aggressive. You want to be mindful of Excel and the value of Excel. If this keeps trending down, this value keeps coming down with it. And that would essentially be what you're looking for to enter to the upside. Okay? But as it stands right now, we're bearish. You sit on hands. Sit on hands. One NQ made you 5K. The reversal here, if we get a reversal even halfway up, you're going to make 25. Like, just be patient. Terrence, thank you. Thank you for the kind words. Icy Lambo, yes, it is beginner friendly. It's color coded. It's red or it's not. And I think that's all we have for you today, guys. You could force a trade. I advise you not to. And if you can't find a trade, don't go looking for one. I know. Raise your hand if you're guilty of this. If the 5 minute doesn't give you what you're looking for, you go to a different time frame until it gives you what you're looking for. Who's guilty of that? I want to see some hands. Like, damn it, I can't find nothing on a 5 minute. I'm going to go to the 2 minutes, see if I find something. Not do yeah, do it on a 1 minute. Yes. Yes. Did you get wrecked? Yes. And it's hilarious. you know why that's hilarious? Is because you're trying to find something to go contrary to a governing trend, right? So if you're into 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, you're inside the 5 minute candle. If the thing is saying down, you're literally trying to disarm a bomb, right? So you're in a candle in a trade for 60 seconds, 35 seconds, 40 seconds, trying to disarm a bomb and try to scalp the other way really quick while the general trend is going down. This is where traders get wrecked. I never understood it. It was like, oh yeah, in the 1 minute, I can make money. No, and that's why some people, when they trade the 30-second, I wonder if he's here, they find themselves like just so overwhelmed. We don't want trading to be overwhelming. Belly, nice. Governing trends, guys. Governing trends. Yeah, 30 seconds is crazy. 30 seconds is crazy. Anybody in the chat, like an audio specialist? I got some audio questions. Oh boy. Let's see. I hold on. Peaky Blinder's an audio specialist. Peaky Blinder, you guys have probably seen some of his work. I really don't want to like put him out there and what he does for a living, but the guy is special. We're talking about like car audio specialists. Hey Gabe, was the chart? No, I don't. No. In the Discord, it's. I did not give this chart here. This is the secret chart, but I just have it on one chart. In the Discord, I did not give the secret chart. Unless somebody did. And if you did, you're an asshole, but... Let's see. Yeah, it's a hype. That's mine. And then let me see. I don't know. How many variations? No, not too many. No. Let's see. Alright guys, there's really nothing to do here. Unless we get a reversal, just know there's really nothing to do until we break Excel up here. There's nothing to do. Alright, boring live stream. Okay, I'm gonna wrap things up. I got some one-on-ones I gotta do. Gabe, when would be a good time to dollar cost average into a running play? Oh, that's a valid question. Okay. Listen, you dollar cost average. I'll give you a good example. Okay, so let's say we entered at 28.43. That's an entry. And let's say price comes down to 27.9975. When you dollar cost average, you get the middle price of this. Now, what is that? 24 points? That's the middle price of this when you dollar cost average. So that's 24 points right there. At or about, let's get an accurate measure. It's 38. All right, so 20 points. So the middle is 20 points, right? So just draw that there. This is your dollar cost average. Now this is where price is. This is where your dollar cost average is. That's where you would protect. That's where you would protect your initial entry, right? You're protecting it right here. Now, there's a thing you can do. If we go to the replay, let's see. Let's come to this candle here. All right, cool, guys. What we're looking at is a replay. Sweet. You see how right here, if you add to your play at this very moment in time, the DSR is 14.75, but your dollar cost average is short of it, right? That means this is a safe dollar cost average. Does that make sense? Right? Because the DSR, the range isn't enough to stop you out here if you averaged at or around here. Does that make sense? Hello? Okay, everyone just started like checking out, I guess. All right. No, Eugenio. Oh. H. Houston says no. Eugenio doesn't get it. Not going to explain it here. Not going to explain it again. What we have, we enter here, right? At this point in time, we enter here to average in. The DSR is not 20 points. If the DSR was 20 points, then the likelihood of us getting stopped out, if this is our average price, because it's the average of these 2 points, the likelihood of us getting stopped out is higher because the DSR would be at or about right here. Okay? There you go. So we wouldn't dollar cost average there, right? Because ideally this is stop you out. That's it. Now, Hanan says, how do you know you're chasing? Listen, if you're in a trade design and it's already 1 R, 1.5 R gone away from you, you're already chasing. Let's really think about this. When we talk about 1 R or 1.5 R, we're talking about basically a risk. So if you're risking 1%, let's say you're risking 200 bucks. If you're 1 R away, that means if you enter 1 R away and you're wrong, you're gonna lose 200 bucks. If you're 1.5 R and you enter and you're wrong, you're going to lose $300. So the idea here is to try to get in as close relatively to the pivot point or where the trade design lets you know. Otherwise, what you can do, once again, is let's say we entered here at 2,800. This is my stop. And let's go ahead and play this out. Let's see what DSR looks like. DSR will keep you comfortably within the trade. Do not move your DSR back up away just because price action bounces, okay? Wherever DSR puts you, that's where you want to put your stop and protect yourself and protect your gains. And as you see, we got a continuation. It's DSR just gives you the right amount of buffer, just the right amount of buffer to maybe enter the trade and set a realistic stop. Does that make sense? There you go. All right, cool. Glad we made sense of that. And yeah, let's get to current time here. Let's see if there's anything going on. I would love to be able to take a trade today and make some money. This is $8.99, huh? Jeez. Let's go ahead and look at this. Man, it's possible. You are about 3 points away. Certainly possible. Hey, Jesse. This is a crazy sell-off. I made more than I deserve today. Absolutely. Guys, if you went long, you blow up accounts. If you went short, Top Step and Apex owe you a lot of fucking money. Nobody should be waiting for a reversal. All right, guys, so make sure you tell a friend to tune on in, right? The only day trading live stream show that will keep you honest and away from harm's way and get you in on a trade with a trend and actually teach you something and not have you go contrarian and make you lose money. We don't do that here. We just don't. I don't make money unless you guys are making money. Think about that for a second. You guys are in this community using my system, trusting what I'm teaching you. And I don't make money unless you guys are making money. Top Step makes money whether you're making money or not. Just being honest. Because if you're not making money, you're not going to stay a subscriber, right? All right, see you in a few, brother. Let's go. I'm going to go enjoy coffee. And Japan's a lifer. What you in for, Ian? They threw the book at you. You're a lifer in 1348. What you do, Ian? What you in for? Oh, geez, so much fun. She guilty. Isn't that sweet? Can I show you guys something? Let me see. We gotta go into the Discord. This is cool. Let me fix this really quick. Let me get another window open. Get this on over here. Let's go into the Discord. And we're gonna give shout outs to Christine. Let's take a look at what she says in Market Chat. Now, Christine is relatively new. Christine says, just would like to show my appreciation to Gabe for the system he has created. This system made reading price action a lot easier. That 7,000 loss was because I got caught in last Friday's chop, and it's my fault for letting my losers run far beyond that I should. Also, last weekend, I got the secret chart, and the video that came with it was so helpful. Looking forward to seeing how I perform for the rest of the month. These are from 4 evals I'm working on. Keep killing it, y'all. So sweet. As it stands right now, she's up. There's no reason for that. $7,000. No reason for that. We're going to talk about this in the prop firm video tomorrow. This. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, boy. All right. How many of you guys are in prop firms actually journal with TradeZella or some journaling app? But Christine, thank you for becoming a believer. So one step at a time. Don't get greedy. Be slow. Be patient. Be wealthy. Right? Please journal your trades. Mike, exactly. It'll tell you more about yourself than you're willing to realize. It really will. Okay. As I said, time to go. It's always a hard time for me to go. I love being here, but I gotta go. Peace out, guys.